May the peace, mercy, and blessings of God be upon you. Today, I will present to you a site for making money from the internet for free by watching videos, opinion polls, and doing some offers and tasks. A very, very easy site. Of course, I have been offering you free sites for a while, and God willing, we will continue the free site with the aim of benefiting you, and also for beginners who she still has no experience in making a profit from the internet or does not have the capital to start working on the internet with capital. I am bringing you simple sites that work from here for $5. They work from here for $10 from here, $20 from here for $2 so that you can accumulate good capital. I advise you that subscribe to the channel, like the video, and activate the bell button for everyone, because all the upcoming videos, God willing, will be very good sites for making money from the internet and also free. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button on everyone so that you receive notifications of all new videos. I am here on the channel offering you free explanations for making money from the internet. I ask you please, and it is not an order, to subscribe to the channel to support us, and do not forget to like the video. Website link you will find in the article in the video description and in the first pinned comment. When you click on the link, the registration page opens here. You put your email here and the password, then you click on create account, then you review your email to get a message through which you activate the account, then you log into the account. The page opens in front of you. When you register, you will find here 500. 1 point for free because you registered from the link in the description. You will see an opinion poll on the home page. To begin with, you get 500 points from it. The minimum withdrawal from the site is 2. It is very easy for you to withdraw your profits from it very, very quickly. We look at these withdrawal methods. These are the methods of withdrawal from the PayPal site. As you can see, PayPal Steam cards start from $2. You can withdraw from PayPal for $2 or $2. How do you withdraw? We will click on the word Earn Now. Go down below and we will find all the ways to profit from the site. This is your referral link. These are opinion polls and these are others. These are some of the other offers. What are the offers, guys? If we enter like this on them, or we enter like this on all opinion polls, of course what is available to you now is this poll. After that you have it. This poll, when you finish something, opens up the next thing for you, and these are the polls for the site's partners. This is more than an opinion poll. You enter and answer the polls on the site. The topic is very, very easy. If we scroll down, you will find it there. If we look at it like this, you have some offers that include downloading programs that you can pass. More than one pot or more than one level in the game. So when you reach a certain level, you take this gain. I mean, for example, in this game, if you make conditions in it, you take 1,1/4 of a point, which is $1 for 40 cents here. You take a 700th point, which is 70 cents. Here is 1/5 of a point, which is $5, means that from one offer, you can withdraw your profits from this site. Playing it to a certain level takes $3.70. That is why it is very, very easy for you to work on the site and to withdraw your profits from it without any problems, and in a very, very, very record time, as you can see in one offer. Like this, for example, 14,260, 1,220. This you get $12 from. This you get $14 from. This you get $1.38. Of course, these are the simple offers, which are 3 cents, 5 cents, and 9 cents. This is 2.5 cents, 2,500 points, and so on. Okay, you also have something called offer. Offer wall. These are also offers like Overtoro Company. This is a very famous company in the offers and the work related to the offers. If we open the offers on the internet like this, but mine is a little weak. Of course, as you can see, these are some offers from Overtoro Company. Here is the offer. This game is almost downloadable. 45 points here is also an offer in exchange for a spread of 1,060 points. This means that in exchange for a spread of $1, there is only one offer, as you see. This is an offer of 2, and 75 is an offer of 74 points. I mean, as you have seen, the smaller the offer or the smaller the points. The easier the task, the larger the points, the more difficult the task is because you will take a larger amount and so on. I want to tell you that this topic is very easy. There are people who work 24 hours and this site is working on it. It collects profits and withdraws people's money. They work on it for 24 hours because you can make good capital out of it. For example, there is an application that you download and you get 36 points. It tells you to complete missions, and of course, once you register, you also get $5. On this site, this is in short today's site. I don't want to be long for you. I don't want the video to be long and the explanation to be long. But I am sharing with you the easy and free sites from which you can earn in a simple way. And of course without any capital. You will find the link to register on the site in the video description and in the first pinned comment. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and do not forget to subscribe, activate the bell, and like the video. I will see you, God willing, in an episode. Thank you again. May God's peace, mercy, and blessings be upon you.